Welcome to the training of trainers on Agricultural Machinery Operator Level 3. In this program, you will strengthen the skills needed to deliver practical and competency-based agricultural machinery training. Agricultural machinery improves productivity, reduces labor demands, and supports efficient farming. Proper operation and maintenance are essential for modern and sustainable agriculture. Explore essential machinery systems, operation, and maintenance practices. Develop practical knowledge of tractors, electrical and battery systems, machinery components, and preventive maintenance. Safety and sustainability are essential in agricultural machinery operations. Learn safe machine handling, efficient resource use, preventive maintenance, and environmentally responsible practices. Effective trainers need both technical knowledge and strong training skills. Learn to demonstrate practical tasks, engage learners, and assess workplace performance using competency-based approaches. Experience practical demonstrations, hands-on activities, industry exposure, and digital learning through the SLG LMS. Connect technical knowledge with practical training and real-world applications. Through practical exercises, assessment activities, and micro-teaching, you will strengthen your technical and training skills. Build the confidence to effectively transfer learning in your institution. Skilled trainers help develop the future agricultural workforce. By completing this program, you will be prepared to deliver practical, safe, sustainable, and industry-relevant agricultural machinery training.